Okay, first video, first word. In a word, the word is connection. According to the Google Dictionary, it means a relationship in which a person, thing, or idea is linked or associated with something else. When I think about the word connection, quite frankly, it's gonna go deep real quick. I feel like my purpose in life is connection. Connecting with people, helping other people connect with other people is the thing that charges my batteries. Having a conversation, listening to an experience, sharing a story, having that one moment where you hear or you see a thing and you're like, oh, I get that. Like, that's me, I've been there. Or that inspires me. I want to be that. I want to get that. It just starts with a share. And I think as humans we have a ton in common, but we're inhibited by our willingness to want to share. So for me, I think connection starts with some openness, and it starts with raw, authentic, genuine share. Of the leaders, of the people in history, of the folks that I admire most, the people I tend to surround myself with, those are some of the most genuine, raw, and authentic people that share successes, that share failures, that share when they're scared and fearful. They share when they're lighthearted and when they've taken a situation, made the best of it, or even just been humble enough to laugh about it. So for me, the word connection is huge. It's kind of like, I feel like my purpose. And with the things that have happened in the world, I feel like my normal go-to ways of connecting with people have been inhibited. So rather than be mad, I did spend some time trying to figure out alternative battery charging sources, figure out ways to not be around people and still not tank. But I think that this sharing of ideas, of concepts, of topics, of perspectives could be yet another way for me to connect with others and maybe have others connect with others. Again, I think we have more in common than we have different, and with some sharing and perspectives, I think we'll find other folks more endearing, more relatable. We'll feel less alone and probably even more inspired. So the first word, in a word, is connection. And to me, it's kind of the root of everything. I wonder what you think. Is connection big to you? Have I described it in a way you would describe it? How would you define it? What is that level of importance to you? How do you achieve it? And is it a thing that charges your batteries or fuels you? Or is it something maybe you struggle with, but aspire to? That's the question. So for me, I think I've answered most of it, connection, and there's a lot of other words that come to mind, and I'll get those one at a time. But for now, in a word, connection.